As Ohio continues to fight an opioid epidemic, state lawmakers are working to give people battling their own personal addiction a new tool to break the cycle. 10 TV political reporter Doug Petcash is live at the State House with details on a new bipartisan bill. Doug, what would this bill do?
Yolanda, it would set up a pilot program to provide remote treatment for those dealing with opioid use disorder. And the co-sponsors say this would be especially important for people in rural areas. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, in 2021, nearly 5,400 Ohioans died of drug overdoses. That equates to 48 of every 100,000 people in the state. House Bill 300 is co-sponsored by Republican Representative Sharon Ray and Democrat Rachel Baker. They say it would require the Ohio Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services to give grants to provide remote medically assisted treatment, usually with methadone, to people trying to overcome opioid addiction. The treatment would be done through 10 approved opioid treatment programs, and the patients would be monitored on a day-to-day basis and they'd have to follow strict rules or be kicked out of the program.
They would be able to take-home doses of medication and have an app or some kind of technology on their phone or on their computer where they could dose at home by scanning their bottles. There'd be audio-visual recording of them dosing, and that would be transmitted to their provider.
If you don't have a methadone or Suboxone clinic close, sometimes it will be 30 minutes to an hour away. And a lot of our folks that are participating in these programs don't have a driver's license, and the rural areas don't have buses. So this will allow them to participate without having to give up 3 hours of their day.
The bill would earmark $750,000 per year for each of the next 2 fiscal years for this pilot program. Today was just the first hearing for this bill in the Behavioral Health Committee. We'll keep an eye on it. Live at the State House, Doug Petcash, 10 TV News.